So this week is National Vegetarian Week, and I have been vegetarian for about 3 years, and I've been vegan for almost a year and a half now. So I'm going to be showing you sort of like what I eat in a day as a vegan student to try and help you get some ideas for National Vegetarian Week, or if you're trying to eat more vegetarian meals, hopefully it'll show you that it's pretty simple and you can have some really nice stuff being vegetarian. So breakfast is a super simple one, and I'm just having toast and butter. Sometimes I do have brown flakes and hazelnut milk, but I haven't got any milk at the moment, so toast it is. I use the Vitalite dairy-free butter, but loads of companies do their own dairy-free butter. Like I think Flora do one as well. I just prefer the Vitalite one because it tastes like actual butter. Rather than margarine, so it's so good. So for dinner I've got leftovers from last night, and it's like this soup slash stew thing that I made. It's so good. It's basically just, you can put any veg in you want, but I put carrots, broccoli, potato, leeks, onions, and then about a litre of vegetable stock and water, a tin of beans with the sauce, makes it, and some pearl barley as well. And it's absolutely lovely with some buttered toast or buttered bread, and it's super cheap because it's all just veg. You can use veg that's going off, or just throw in whatever leftovers you have. So it's a super cheap, super easy meal to make. And I usually just pop chia seeds on the top because I absolutely love chia seeds. As you can see, I cannot get enough. So I'm going to be making vegan brownies now. This is from Jamie Oliver's recipe, which I will link in the description. So these are just the ingredients you need. It's really simple. Vegetable oil, soy milk, vanilla extract, sugar, cocoa powder, flour. Did I say flour? And some dairy-free chocolate. For tea, we are having the Linda McCartney's pies, which are the best thing ever, and we're having that with mash and veg and a lot of gravy. So that was my food for the day. Hopefully it shows you that vegetarian cooking is actually just as simple as regular cooking. And if you are interested in making some more vegetarian meals for National Vegetarian Week, I will leave a link below for a really good website which has a lot of meal plans and food ideas for you.